name is Sophia, aka Face Canvas. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have a half-face witch Hollywood undead type thing going on. If you want to see how to create the look, keep watching.
So to start off, what I'm doing is I'm blocking off the section of my face that I want the prosthetic to be on. So I wanted it on the left side, and I decided I didn't want any of my mouth or most of my nose to have a prosthetic on it. It just makes it seem more human, and as far as tearing the prosthetic down the side, it just works a lot easier for me to do it this way. And after I'm done gluing down my forehead piece, what I decided to do was work on the eye makeup, just basic beauty stuff that I'm doing on my right eye. So eyeshadow, eyeliner, and lashes. For the cheek piece, I'm doing the exact same thing I'm doing on the forehead. I'm taking Prosthetic, my prosthetic adhesive, and I'm starting right in the middle, and then I'm moving up towards my eye. I want to get it as close to my eye as possible. And now, because my prosthetic was one that I ripped in half, basically from a larger full piece prosthetic, what I want to do is have one of those half monster, half torn skin type of a thing. So I'm taking liquid latex and Kleenexes to build this little barrier between the two. I even used my palette knife to smooth out the liquid latex and make the transition even easier. And then I took purple eyeshadow and I put it over my left eyelid. And then for all of those cracks and crevices and wrinkles, what I did is I started with red Snazzy face paint, and then I deepened it with the dark purple eyeshadow I used on my eyelid from Makeup Forever. I wanted to use two different colors so it gives it even more depth. And to break up the colors a little bit, just to break up the pigmentation of the overall prosthetic, I took a chip brush and then I fleckled on some yellows and some greens to give it just a slight olive tone on the base. And going back in with the reds and purples, just really deepening up every single part that I can. For the lipstick, I decided to go with a deep purple just because it fits the eyeshadow color that I did, as well as just having a normal, dark, mysterious type of a look. And then to bring the scary side closer to more of a natural side, I decided to do very thick eyeliner around both eyes. And now I'm going to be adding scab blood to the entirety of the little ridge that we created. Scab blood is perfect for this because it makes it more 3D and it pops it out even more than just normal blood would. And it even makes it look nicer and grosser with the coagulation of the blood and all that. Super fun. And for final touches, I'm using Venom, which is the shade of glitter by A Devil's Kiss Glitter, on my eyelids and also on my lips. And this look is pretty much complete. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, subscribe, do anything you can to support. Thank you.